Are you still using try-catch block inside Flutter widget for handling exception? Well, we have all been there where your Flutter app crashes because of a null value or an unhandled exception buried deep in your API service. Traditional error handling in Dart relies on try-catch, but it's easy to forget a catch block, and your UI never knows exactly what went wrong. Today, we are fixing that. We are going to use the dartz package to bring functional programming to Flutter, making our error handling explicit, type-safe, and honestly, much more elegant. This is the dartz package that we will be using. Dartz gives us functional data structure like option, task, and the star of today's video, either. Either is a type that can hold one or two values. By convention, the left side represents a failure and the right side represents success. Think of it like a box. It either contains an error message or the data you actually wanted. It forces you to handle both cases, so you can't accidentally ignore an error. For example, instead of returning a raw double or throwing an exception, our functions now returns a future either string double type. If the city is invalid, we returned a left with a string. If it's successful, we return a right with the temperature. Notice how the return type now tells the developer exactly what to expect. To get the data out, we use the fold method. Fold takes two functions. The first runs if it's a left, and the second runs if it's a right. This is the magic of dartz. It's impossible to access the temperature without also providing a way to handle the error. No more if results not equal null checks. By using dartz, your code becomes more honest about its failures. You will see this pattern used everywhere in clean architecture and with block. In the next video, we will look at option to replace nulls entirely. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Flutter tips. See you in the next tutorial.